Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to download a font from dafont.com. The first thing you're going to want to do is choose the category, the style of font that you want if you're looking for something specific. If you want to search for one of the ones that I recommended, then you can type the name in here. I'm just going to select and it will bring it up right there. Okay. The way to get back to the main window is you can just hit the red dafont.com over here, and then if you're looking for a fancier calligraphy font, then you can find the calligraphy category, one that looks maybe more like handwriting. Click on handwritten, and then if you're looking for it to display something specific, then you can type in any word you want here and it will display every font, it will display that word in every font. Once you see one that you like, you're just going to hit download. Once the blue circle completes, you're just going to click and double click and then click install. Once that box disappears, it is now officially installed in your computer. If you had Photoshop or a different program open, you would need to close out and then reopen, and then you will see the name of that font. So you would need to know that it's called Belove, and then you would just go search that name and you'll be able to find it.